Hey, what's up guys? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about Reef Finance. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the latest price update of the Reef, price prediction of Reef. So guys, keep watching this video complete, and before starting this video, so I request everybody click the subscribe button now for more news and updates videos about Reef Finance. The current live price of Reef is 0.022482 USD dollar. That is the live price of the Reef Finance in the market. Anyways, other side, if we talk about the changes occurring in the reef, so the latest situation is going wrong. Latest situation. But guys, that's not mean that the latest situation is going wrong, so you decide to sell. No, never decide to sell. Just hold, guys. Just hold for a long time. After that, you get profit. Anyways, guys, let me show you the price chart. Now you can see absolutely a massive gains occur by Reef, but unfortunately now just the last 1 day changes is negative, so that does not mean then you decide to sell. No, it is a patience time, it is a holding time. If you hold, so there is a possibility that in the upcoming time the price will pump and you get profit. What do you think about Reef? Just tell me, what is your prediction about Reef? 7.39% changes occur in the Reef is positive. So the changes is good, just hold for a long time. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.